How to delete from library or watch history on YouTube TV. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to delete something from your watch history or library on YouTube TV. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. So it's just the same as, deleting something in your YouTube library on website and on your TV. So you just need to go to your YouTube application on your TV and just log your account right here, and after logging in your account, you will see these options right here on the left side, and you will see this one that's called you, the middle section that's called you. Just click that, and after that you will see your library, and as you can see, this is all the items in my library, as well as my watch later, my clips, my playlist, etc. on that. And if I want to delete them, I can just click the three dots button on the right side of the title and just click delete clip, and yeah, that's it. So on the watch history, if I go to the watch history, I can just I can't delete them one by one, but I can delete them all at once. So just click clear all watch history right here. And after you click them, as you can see, all videos under my history is now gone. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can delete something from your watch history or library on YouTube TV. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.